Hi kids, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to see an excellent lesson in Unit 6. This lesson you could have heard through your grannies or you could have watched through televisions. But end of the day, it's such a wonderful lesson you should know. The story name is Curly Locks and the Three Bears. Curly Locks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there was three bears. Papa bear, Mama bear, Baby bear. Papa bear, Mama bear, Baby bear. This Mama bear made a breakfast as how our mother will do. Once you got up, your mommy will say, Kana, come, we will brush your teeth, drink a cup of milk. I have prepared a beautiful breakfast. The breakfast what you like the most. Come, go, finish all your works and come for the lunch. Come for the breakfast. Like that your mama will call, no? Like this here also this mama bear prepared a wonderful breakfast. It is nothing but a porridge. Okay, porridge is nothing but a cereal filled with water. Okay, they will mix that cereal in the water and allow it to cook, like how in Tamil it is termed as kanji. So it's a watery substance like a soup, or some cereals will have there, it will be placed and cooked in a best way. So it was too hot, so all these bears went for a walk. It was very hard. Okay, so this mama bear, papa bear and baby bear went for a small walk outside of the house. Meanwhile, in town there was a girl named Curly Locks. Okay, girl Curly Locks. Why you know her name is Curly Locks? You know why? Her hair will be very much curly in structure. Look at this baby's hair, how it is very curly, na? So her name is coined based on her curly hair. How beautifully this Curly Locks is playing. You all know that this Curly Locks, who is having a very beautiful curly hair, where she went. Whether this curly locks went to walk through a zoo or a forest or a street, where she went. This is a zoo. This is forest. This is streets. Where she went? Forest, zoo or street? Correct. She went to the forest. Curly Locks came upon a house in the forest. That house is none other than Bear's house. She opened the door. She opened the door and went into the kitchen and saw three bowls of porridge, children. As I have told, no, the meaning of the porridge. It's a cereal filled with the water, and they will cook that cereal with the water and make this porridge. So this three bears went for the walk. No, those three bowls of those three bears was placed on the table. So what happened? This girl, this Curly Locks, sat down to eat all this one. At first she tried the large sized bowl. It was too hot, so she kept it aside. And again she tried the medium-sized bowl, middle bowl. It was too cold. She don't like it. So she just tasted and kept it aside. Then she was trying the third bowl, a small bowl, that baby bear's bowl. This bowl was just right to her. She ate it up, all the porridges in the bowl, and she enjoyed a lot like anything. She was so tired, okay? She was so tired having her stomach filled. What we will do, Mama? After eating, what you will say? Mama, I'm feeling so tired. Let me lie down. In the afternoon, you will talk to your mummy like that. No, like that. This girl also feeling tired. So what she did, she decided to find a place to take rest. So she saw a staircase and she climbed up the staircase and she went upstairs and saw three beds. So she tried them out, okay? She was trying all the three beds as like how she tried all the three bowl porridges. She tried the first big sized bed. It was too hard, so she don't like it. Then she tried the second one. It was too soft. That also she don't likes. So she tried a very small bed. It was just right to her. Right in the sense, not the right side. It is a very correct one for her size and for her to sleep. And it was much comfortable for her to sleep. So she chose the third bed and she fell asleep. Okay. And produced the noise. How? Your dad and will give snoring sound in the nose while sleeping? No. Like that she also fell asleep. Felt asleep. So now what happens? When the bear got home, they saw all these things. Someone had been in their house. So little bear's chair was broken, little bear porridge was all gone, and also someone had been sleeping in the little bear's bed. The little bear started to cry, Mama, someone is sleeping on my bed. And she was still sleeping. Okay, so it started crying. So after hearing the noise of the third small bear, this girl, poor girl, this girly lock, she woke up and she was shouting like anything with a scream, oh, like that. Then what she did, she ran out of the cottage. She ran out of the cottage as fast as she could, because if they catch hold, what she will do? So she ran like anything and escaped from the house. So here we have come to the end of the lesson, children. Hope you understand this lesson very well. So I would like to say the moral of the story, children. So we should be very careful once you go out. We should lock the door, we should check the door, and we should keep safe all our things. This is the first moral. And second moral, without the knowledge of the others, we should not touch anybody's things, or we should not enter another's house, and we should not hurt others. It's a very important manners we should learn in our basic life. For example, in your classroom, eraser of your friend, without knowing him, you should not touch, even if you want it, even if you have to. You should ask permission. Dear friend, can you give me this pencil? Can you give me this eraser? You should ask permission and you should utilize their things. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, children. Thank you for listening me all this time. I also enjoyed this lesson along with you. Have a great day. Bye, kids. Thank you.